I was introduced to the world of Raspberry Pi about 2, 3 years ago. No, 4 years ago. To me, this piece is the representation of robotics and technology all in the palm of your hand. Every library is open source, hardware is cheap, and everywhere you could build a good engineering out of just giving somebody a Raspberry Pi. And that was amazing. That was beautiful. Now there's something that's changed. We have AI, large language models, and I know it's all the hype. And I mean, regardless of whether or not it is a bubble or it's a great thing, it is important to acknowledge that it is an essential piece of engineering for the future. Yet it's very inaccessible. Unlike sensors or Python libraries, you can't get it easily. There's two ways of going about it. One, you can get an OpenAI API, Gemini or Claude or whatever. It works. It's kind of expensive, and payment stuff is not always accessible. Would not expect a 5-year-old kid from India or Vietnam to plug in this credit card and make it work. On the other hand, you can run local models, which are kind of slow and, for lack of a better word, dumb. You can run a large model at like really, really low speed, or a small model at a little bit faster, but dumb. I don't like that. For context, I'm Thomas. I like to do niche engineering projects that bring something complex into something simple, easy to use. I have a company, this is my office, building AI application for enterprise, and we built some projects for robotics and robots fight before. And the idea there is something fundamentally important for the next generation, yet it's so inaccessible, really bugs me. That's why I'm working on this thing called StarMind. Name is still in the work. Essentially what it is building a language model and a framework or an application per se for someone to easily run it on your Raspberry Pi. Right now we're doing Raspberry Pi 5, which is something that's running on my back here. You can do a Pi 4, which is something on my monitor at the top, and it's eventually a Pi 0. The goal is to create a language model that is smart and runs fast on all three of these devices. Is it possible? We don't know. Nothing present tells us that it's absolutely impossible. Is it easy? Fuck no. We're doing this not because it's impossible. No, we're doing this not because it's easy or proven possible. I'm doing it because mostly I'm just curious. Fuck. And I'm doing this because, to me, it's an important mission for the future. And right now, I happen to have the expertise as well as some of the funding to do that. So we are. Thank you for watching. If you want to support us, want to follow along, suppose the website or the Discord channel or the YouTube channel are the main sources of truth. But if you want to follow along, use the code. Everything is open sourced. If you want to fund us, support me with some credits or a GPU or extra hardware or financial support. Feel free to reach out. Right now we have support from some Microsoft, AWS, and quite a large amount, like a couple $1,000 in GPU credits. And also I've been getting some GPUs of my own, not the big ones, some of the simpler gaming laptops, but that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been a good use of your time.